कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे राम राम हरे हरे।
जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसरि गौर भक्त वृंदा। जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसरि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपीकांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। बोल श्री राधे गोलोकानंद भगवान की
जय।
बोल श्री भागवतम की जय।
जय।
जय हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन। हरे कृष्णा
हरे
निशा।
कृष्णा कृष्णा
कृष्णा
हरे कृष्णा रीना जी।
हरे कृष्णा भैया। हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन।
हरे कृष्णा।
All right, so we are on Shlok 1.7.31. So we were reading last few shloks. This is about Ashwatthama. So Ashwatthama, after द्रौपदी के 5 पुत्र सोए हुए होते हैं। अश्वत्थामा उनका वध करके और चले जाता है, तो अर्जुन गांडीव लेके he is chasing Ashwatthama, and Ashwatthama, once his rath is tired, he has no other choice. So अश्वत्थामा के प्राण संकट में है, वो देखकर अश्वत्थामा ब्रह्मास्त्र का प्रयोग करते हैं। So अश्वत्थामा ने ब्रह्मास्त्र फेंका है, and so the only way to counter ब्रह्मास्त्र is ब्रह्मास्त्र, and who else can do that? So Lord Krishna is telling Arjun to utilize the ब्रह्मास्त्र. So अर्जुन श्री कृष्ण के परिक्रमा करके और ब्रह्मास्त्र छोड़ते हैं. So then in the whole sky it's all fire, and that is where we are right now. So the next shlok is 7.31. मुकेश पढ़ोगे?
दृष्टवास्त्र त्रते जस्तु तयोस्त्री लोकनान प्रदन हन महत दहमानः प्रजा सर्वः सार्वत कम मनसत. All the population of 3 worlds was crossed by the combined heat of the weapons. Everyone was reminded of the Samvartaka fire which takes place at the time of annihilation.
So what happens then? 2 Brahmastra in the sky, and there's some fire called like Samvartak, right? So Samvartak, and they are saying like this is the fire which takes place at the time of annihilation. So when the whole Brahmand is going to be annihilated, that's the time when this Samvartaka fire takes place. So that is what everyone is reminded. And everyone means all the population of the 3 worlds. And 3 worlds here refers to the higher loks, the middle loks, and the bottom loks, right? And we have said like in this Devi Dham there are 14 loks, starting from Satyalok, Brahmalok at the highest, Prithvilok is in the middle, and there's a Patalok in the middle. So the whole population of 3 worlds was caused by the combined heat of weapons. So that's what is going on. अनिल जी, अनिल जी आप म्यूट पे हैं क्या?
म्यूट।
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है अनिल जी।
आवाज नहीं आ रही?
अभी आ रही है।
अच्छा। प्रजोपद्रव मालक्ष्य लोक व्यतिकरम चतम मतम च वासुदेवस्य सज्जहार्जुनो द्वयम्. Thus, seeing the disturbance of the general populace and the imminent destruction of the planets, Arjuna at once retracted both Brahmastra weapons as Lord Krishna desired. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. And Ashwatthama could not retract. Once he fires Brahmastra, he could not retract, right? So Arjun fires the Brahmastra and then he can retract both the Brahmastra weapons. Sumit?
तत आसद्य तरसा दारुणं गौतमी सुतं बबन्दामाक्षत्रमाक्षः पशुं रशनाया यथा. Arjuna, his eyes blazing in anger like two red balls of copper, dexterously arrested the son of Gautami and bound him with ropes like an animal. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So Arjun catches Ashwatthama. Ashwatthama is son of Gautami. And who is the father?
Dronacharya.
Dronacharya.
Dronacharya, right? So Dronacharya and Gautami. So that's Ashwatthama. Rinaji?
Shiviraye ninishantam rajjava badhva ripum balat praharjunam prakupito bhagwan ambujekshanaha. After binding Ashwatthama, Arjun wanted to take him to the military camp. The personality of Godhead Sri Krishna, looking on with his lotus eyes, spoke to Arjun in an angry mood. Krishna.
Krishna. So Arjun doesn't kill Ashwatthama, he just binds him. So Lord Krishna is not very happy about that. Nisha?
मैनं पार्थार्हसि त्रातुं ब्रह्मबन्धुमिमं जहि योऽसावनागसः सुप्तानवधीन्निशि बालकान्. Lord Sri Krishna said, O Arjun, you should not show mercy by releasing this relative of Brahman Bandhu, for he has killed innocent boys in their sleep. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? Ajay?
Sure. Hare Krishna, everybody. Matam pramantam munmartam suptam balam striyam jadam prapannam viratham bhitam naripur hante dharmavita. A person who knows the principle of religion does not kill an enemy who is careless, intoxicated, insane, asleep, afraid, or devoid of his chariot. Nor does he kill a boy, a woman, a foolish creature, or a surrendered soul. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So one who follows the principle of religion, right, in the words earlier, won't do all these things. But what did Ashwatthama do? He killed Draupadi's sons while they were sleeping. So that is not religious, even though he's a Guru Dron's son. Swe pranane yeh par prane prapushnaatya grinah khale tadhvastasya hi sreyo yaddoshadhatya dahe puman.
A cruel and wretched person who maintains his existence at the cost of others' lives deserves to be killed for his own well-being. Otherwise, he will go down by his own actions. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So Lord Krishna is telling this to Arjuna. Pratishutam cha bhavta panchale shrunvato mama aharishe shirastasya yaste manini putraha. Shiva?
Furthermore, I have personally heard you promise Draupadi that you would bring forth the head of the killer of her sons.
Her sons, right? So Arjun just caught Ashwatthama, but he did not kill him. So Lord Sri Krishna is saying that he has done a irreligious thing, and on top of that, you had promised Draupadi, right? That you are going to bring his head. So, Reenaji?
Tadaso vadhyatam papa आततायात्म बंधुहा भर्तस्य विप्रियम वीर कृतवान कुलपांसनः. This man is an assassin and murderer of your own family members. Not only that, but he has also dissatisfied his master. He is but the burnt remnants of his family. Kill him immediately.
Right. Nisha?
एवं परीक्षता धर्मं पार्थः कृष्णेन चोदितः नैश्चतन्तु गुरुसूतं यद्यप्यात्महनं महान्. Suta Goswami said, although Krishna, who was examining Arjuna in religion, encouraged Arjun to kill the son of Dronacharya, Arjun, a great soul, did not like the idea of killing him, although Ashwatthama was a heinous murderer of Arjuna's family members. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So Suta Goswami is saying that Lord Krishna is encouraging Arjun, right, to take care of Ashwatthama, but he is not liking that idea. Ajay?
Sure. अथोपेत्य स्वशिविरम गोविंद प्रिय साधि नवेद्यम प्रियाय शोमंचा आत्मजान हितान. After reaching his own camp, Arjun, along with his dear friend and charioteer Sri Krishna, entrusted the murderer unto his dear wife, who was lamenting for her murdered sons. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So Arjun comes back with Ashwatthama, hands him over to Draupadi. See what happens next. Sumit?
तथा हृतं पशुवत् पाशबुद्ध मावङ्गमुखं कर्मजोगोपेसितेन निरीक्ष्य कृष्णा प्रकृतं गुरुः सुतं वाम स्वभवा कृपया ननाम च. Sri Suta Goswami said, Draupadi then saw Ashwatthama, who was bound with ropes like an animal, and silent for having enacted the most ignominious murder. Due to her female nature and due to her being naturally good and well-behaved, she showed him due respects as a Brahmana.
Right. So ultimately, Ashwatthama was son of Guru Drona, and Dronacharya is Guru of Arjun himself, right? So when he's right in front of Draupadi, even though he has done this heinous crime, Draupadi is still behaving well with Ashwatthama. Anilji?
उवाच चास हन्त्यस्य बन्धनानेनं सती मुच्यतामेष ब्राह्मणो नितरां गुरुः. She could not tolerate Ashwatthama being bound by ropes, and being a devoted lady, she said, release him, for he is Brahmana, our spiritual master. Hare Krishna.
Yeah, who is saying this? Release him, release him?
Draupadi.
Draupadi, right?
Yeah.
Mukesh?
सहरस्यो धनुवेदा सविसर्गो पसयमः अस्तग्रामक्षश्च भवता शिक्षितो यदनुग्रहात्. It was by Dronacharya's mercy that you learned the military art of throwing arrows and the confidential art of controlling weapons.
Right? So Draupadi is telling Arjun that it was Dronacharya's mercy that you learned all these art, and that includes Brahmastra, right? Ravi?
Yes. स एष भगवान् द्रोण प्रजारूपेण वर्तते तस्यात्मनो धैर्य पत्न्यास्ते नावगादिष्य. He, Dronacharya is certainly still existing, being represented by his son. His wife, Kripi, did not undergo a sati with him because she had a son. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So Kripi, who is Kripi?
Dronacharya's wife.
Dronacharya's wife, right? And after Dronacharya left the world, like in old days, right? How the sati thing was there, but she didn't have to because her son was, Ashwathama was still alive.
But Dronacharya, इसकी अश्वत्थामा की mother तो वो बता गौमती.
गौतमी थे ना.
Gautami. So how Dronacharya's wife is Kripi? Right? अभी दो श्लोक पहले.
Yeah, that's right. So Kripi and Gomati. So Kripi she was also called Kripi because she was Kripacharya's right. Sister. So Gomati and Kripi, I think it's the same person. Well, that's a good question, Sumit. Let's validate that, right? But Kripi is, yeah. And there's a reason why she was called Kripi also.
Yes, it says she's sister of Kripacharya.
Sister of Kripacharya.
Yeah, sister, right here, right? Okay, so sister of Kripacharya getting married to Dronacharya, and there's a whole story about them too.
Yeah.
Right? Like so, I mean, that's the whole thing in Mahabharata where, and that's where there's a reason why Dronacharya then, so when he was getting married with Kripacharya's, like Kripi, I mean Gomti, right, basically, and he goes to his friend to ask for certain things and he doesn't get it, and that's why he fights against Pandavas and all that. So there's a whole story about that too.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll get into that. I'm not sure if we'll get into that in this or not, but we can talk about that.
Kripi and Gautami are same. Gautami is actually name of Godavari river too. So that's how it is, right? Because so I think it's the same person, but you can confirm.
Right. Yeah. Cool. Good call, Smith. तद धर्मज्ञ महाभाग बहद्विग्रौरवं कुलम् वृजिनं नाहरति प्राप्तुं पूज्यं वन्दं भिक्षणशः. Shivam?
O most fortunate one who know the principles of religion, it is not good for you to cause grief to glorious family members who are always respectable and worshipful.
Right? So like Kripi, everyone is so respectful, so let's not cause more grief to that. Marodi dasya janani Gautami pati devata yataham ritvat sarta prodimya sri mukhi muhu. Sure.
My lord, do not make the wife of Dronacharya cry like me. I am aggravated for the death of my sons. She need not cry constantly like me.
Right. So Draupadi is saying to Arjun that please don't kill him. Even he is bound, Draupadi is not liking that, right? And she doesn't want wife of Dronacharya to be upset like her. Nisha?
एकोपितं ब्रह्मकुलं राजनैरजितात्मभिः ततकुलं प्रदत्ताशु सानुबन्धं शुचार्पितम्. If the kingly administrative order, being unrestricted in sense control, offends the Brahman order and enrages them, then the fire of that rage burns up the whole body of the royal family and brings grief upon them all. Hare Krishna.
Ravi?
Suta uvacha dharmya sakuran nevaryalīkam mama mahat raja dharma suto yagya pratyandvacho dvijaha. Suta Goswami said, O Brahman, King Yudhishthira fully supported the statements of the queen who were in accordance with the principles of religion and were justified, glorious, full of mercy and equity, and without duplicity. Hare Krishna.
So of course we know King Yudhishthira is known as Dharmaraj, and he was, he's the best in religion, and he supported Draupadi that, yeah, we should let Ashwatthama go. Sumit?
Nakulah Sahadevascha च युयोधनो धनंजय भगवान देव की पुत्रो ये चान्ये यश्च योषितः. Nakul and Sahadev, the younger brothers of the king, and also Satyaki, Arjun, the personality of Godhead, Lord Shri Krishna, son of Devaki, and the ladies and others all unanimously agreed with the king.
With the king, right? And what did they agree for? Like, let Ashwatthama go.
Yeah, not to punish him.
Yeah. Mukesh?
तत्राह मर्षितो भीमस्तस्य श्रेयान् वधा स्मृतः न भूर्त निमित्तमन् श्राये यो अहन् सुप्तान् शीशुन् वृथा. Bhima, however, angrily disagreed with them and recommended killing this culprit who had murdered sleeping children for no purpose and for neither his nor his master's interest.
Interest, right? So Bhima, of course, is not happy with that. Right? Anilji?
निशम्य भीम गदितं द्रौपद्याश्च चतुर्भुजः आलोक्य वदनं सख्युरिदमाह हसिन्व. Chaturbhuja, the four-armed one, are the personality of Godhead. After hearing the words of Bhim, Draupadi and others saw the face of his dear friend Arjun, and he began to speak as if smiling. Sri Krishna.
So Lord Krishna is now speaking. Linaji?
श्री भगवान उवाच ब्रह्म बंधुर्न हन्तव्य आतताये वधार्हणा मयैवो भयमानात्मनं मयैवो भयमात्मानातं परिपाह्यनुशासनं कुरु प्रतिश्रुतं सत्यं यत् सान्त्वयता प्रियं च भीमसेनस्य पाञ्चाल्या महात्म्येव च. The personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna said, a friend of a Brahman is not to be killed, but if he is an aggressor, he must be killed. All these rulings are in the scriptures, and you should act accordingly. You have to fulfill your promise to your wife, and you must also act to the satisfaction of Bhimsen and me.
Right. So Lord Krishna is saying to Arjun is that, hey, though he's Brahman, he's aggressor, and as per the scriptures, he should be killed. And for your promise to wife and satisfaction of Bhimsen and me. So I think we'll stop right here. We'll see what happens next tomorrow. And the story about the Ashwatthama continues. So any comments or any questions? If not, we will listen to the same pratna we were listening yesterday. Okay. So we'll continue to hear the kirtan and then we'll see you tomorrow. Okay? 2 more minutes.
प्रभु मुझे